I'm locked from hands and my feet. I want to see how long it's gonna take for me to break out of these.
Okay, so we're watching him trying to escape out of 2 pairs of handcuffs, one on his hand and one on his feet. Okay, we're gonna time you and set. Here, when it comes to the 30-second mark, we'll start this. It's almost in oh, there we go. Go, Alek. 32 seconds. Careful with your head. Good technique using the feet to escape. You can't use your hands to escape your feet, okay?
Because
Maneuvering the toes. And try to pick the lock with your feet. Oh, nice! Woo! Alright guys, if you want to watch him do a different challenge escape, please make a comment and follow us. Right, Alek? Say thank you guys.